Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery draining fast issue on iOS 16.5 version. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, here you can see guys, I have installed iOS 16.5 on my iPhone. So guys, how can you fix a battery issue on iPhone? So guys, first of all, open the settings app, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn this off location services if you are not using, go back, and then after this the next solution is remove unnecessary widgets from your home screen. So for this, swipe the screen and tap on edit and remove all the widgets from your home screen if you are not using any widgets. So done. And after this the next solution is use dark mode. So for this, go to settings, tap on display and brightness, tap on dark mode, go back now, and then after this the next solution is disable background app refresh. So for this, go to settings again, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on background app refresh, tap to turn this off, go back now, and then after this the next solution is turn on auto brightness feature. So for this, go to settings, tap on accessibility, tap on display and setting test size, scroll down, tap to enable auto brightness feature, and then after this the next solution is restart your iPhone regularly. So guys, restart your iPhone in the day for 2 or 5 times. So for the restart, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to right to power off your iPhone. So restart your iPhone daily, and then after this the next solution is place your iPhone face down and enable optimize battery charging. For this, go to settings, tap on this battery, tap on battery health, so optimize battery charging, tap to enable this option, and then after this the next solution is turn on low power mode. So for this, go to settings, tap on battery, tap to turn on low power mode. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your some battery drain issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.